Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English Flow. I'm Luna.
And I'm Marcus. We are very happy you are here with us today.
Today's episode is special. We will help you build English confidence with practical sentences you can use in daily life.
Yes, many English learners know grammar, they know many words, but when they want to speak, they feel nervous.
That is true. The mind becomes blank, the mouth becomes quiet.
Exactly. But today, we will practice together. We will speak simple, useful, everyday English.
If you listen carefully and repeat the sentences, your confidence will grow step by step.
English confidence is not magic. It comes from practice.
Small practice every day.
Small sentences, simple words.
And real conversations.
So relax, take a deep breath.
And start learning English with us.
Marcus, let me ask you something.
Sure, Marcus.
Do you remember when you first tried to speak English with someone?
Oh, yes. I was very nervous. My hands were shaking.
Really?
Yes, I knew English, but speaking was difficult.
I had the same problem.
What helped you?
Simple sentences. I started using small sentences every day.
That is exactly what we will do today.
Let's start with daily conversation sentences.
I will say a sentence, then Marcus will respond.
And listeners can imagine they are in the conversation.
Ready?
Let's go.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, just a little busy today.
Busy days are normal.
Yes, but I like productive days.
That's a great attitude.
Here's another one.
Go ahead.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. Thank you for asking.
That sentence is very useful in daily life.
Especially with friends and family.
Let's continue.
Sure.
What are you doing today?
I'm working and studying English.
That's a great plan.
Learning English every day is very important.
Here's another useful sentence.
Let's hear it.
I'm trying to improve my English.
That is a powerful sentence
Why?
because it shows effort and motivation.
Very true.
Let's continue with more practical sentences.
I didn't understand that. Could you repeat it?
Of course, I will say it again.
This sentence helps when communication is difficult.
And it shows confidence, not weakness.
Exactly.
Here's another one.
Go ahead.
Could you speak a little slower?
Very helpful for English learners.
Yes, native speakers often speak fast.
But most people are happy to slow down.
That's right.
Let's try another sentence.
I'm listening.
What does this word mean?
Excellent question.
Asking questions is very important in learning.
Questions help the brain grow.
Here is another sentence.
Let's hear it.
I need a little more time.
Very useful in work and school.
Yes, it helps you think before answering.
Thinking time is important.
Here is another everyday sentence.
I'm ready.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Sounds good. What time?
Around 10 in the morning.
Perfect.
Simple sentences create real conversations.
And real conversations build confidence.
Now let's learn some important vocabulary from today's conversation.
Vocabulary helps us understand and express ideas.
The first word is confidence.
Confidence means believing in yourself.
When you have confidence, you speak without fear.
Example sentence. I feel more confident when I practice English every day.
The next word is improve.
Improve means to become better.
Example sentence. I want to improve my English speaking skills.
Another word is busy.
Busy means you have many things to do.
Example sentence. I am busy today, but I will study English tonight.
The next word is repeat.
Repeat means to say something again.
Example sentence. Could you repeat that sentence?
Another word is practice.
Practice means doing something again and again to become better.
Example sentence. Practice makes progress.
Not perfection, progress.
Exactly.
Now let's continue our conversation with more practical sentences.
Ready when you are.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station.
It's 2 blocks away.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That conversation is useful when traveling.
Very useful.
Let's try another.
Go ahead.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to read and relax.
That sounds peaceful.
Sometimes I also watch movies.
Movies are great for learning English.
Yes, they help with listening and vocabulary.
Now let's do some question and answer practice.
This is a great way to train your brain.
I will ask a question.
And I will answer with a simple sentence.
Listeners can repeat the answers.
Ready?
Where are you from?
I am from a beautiful city.
What are you doing right now?
I am practicing English.
Why are you learning English?
I want better opportunities.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
How often do you practice?
I practice every day.
That is the key to success.
Consistency.
Exactly.
Small practice every day creates big progress.
Now we will practice shadowing.
Shadowing means repeating sentences after hearing them.
Listen carefully.
Then repeat the sentence with the same rhythm.
Ready?
Let's begin.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
Speaking English is getting easier.
Speaking English is getting easier.
I am not afraid to make mistakes.
I am not afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes help me learn.
Mistakes help me learn.
I speak English with confidence.
I speak English with confidence.
Very good.
Repeating sentences trains your mouth and brain.
The more you repeat, the more natural it becomes.
Confidence grows slowly.
But it grows every day.
Let's continue with more practical sentences.
That's right.
Are you ready?
Always.
Let's start.
I agree with you.
That makes sense.
I understand your point.
That's a good idea.
I'm not sure about that.
Let me think about it.
That sounds interesting.
I would like to try that.
These sentences are powerful.
Because they help express opinions.
Expressing ideas is important in communication.
Very important.
Now let's talk about confidence again.
Confidence comes from action.
Not from waiting.
The more you speak, the better you become.
Even small conversations help.
Talking to friends helps.
Talking to yourself also helps.
Yes, many learners practice speaking alone.
They describe their day in English.
They think in English.
That builds strong language habits.
Here is a simple daily sentence.
I'm ready.
Today will be a great day.
I like that sentence.
It is positive and motivating.
Positive language builds confidence.
Negative thinking creates fear.
Choose positive words.
Choose growth.
Choose practice.
Choose confidence.
Before we finish today's episode, let's repeat some powerful sentences together.
These sentences will help you build English confidence.
I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I am learning every day.
I am learning every day.
My English is improving.
My English is improving.
I enjoy speaking English.
I enjoy speaking English.
I will keep practicing.
I will keep practicing.
Wonderful.
Remember something important.
What is that?
Fluency is not about perfection.
It is about communication.
Yes, if people understand you, you are succeeding.
Every learner starts somewhere.
Every expert was once a beginner.
So be patient with yourself.
Celebrate small progress.
Practice a little every day.
Speak without fear.
And enjoy the journey.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We are proud of your effort.
Keep practicing English.
Keep believing in yourself.
And we will see you in the next episode.
Until then, stay confident
And keep speaking English every day.